Oxford, Connecticut, has a rich historical background that traces back to its establishment as a separate parish and eventual incorporation as a town. Here's an overview of its history. Early settlement and incorporation. Originally part of Derby, Oxford was first settled as a collection of farms. It established itself as a separate parish in 1741. The desire to separate was practical, as residents traveled about 9 miles each Sunday to the Derby meeting house. Oxford was incorporated by the General Assembly in 1798, reflecting the community's need for local governance and services. Agricultural and industrial roots. In its early days, Oxford's economy was centered around agriculture. The town was also known for its variety of mills along its waterways, including sawmills, grist mills, and paper mills at Southford Falls. Additionally, hospitality became an industry with the construction of the Oxford Turnpike, now Route 67, in 1798, which was used to transport agricultural products to markets. Notable stops along this route included the Oxford House and the Wash Band Tavern. Cultural and educational developments. Oxford saw significant cultural development with the establishment of the Oxford Grange No. 194, which focused on supporting local farmers through discussions on various agricultural issues. Educationally, the town moved from neighborhood schoolhouses to a centralized school system with the opening of the Oxford Centralized School in 1948. Demographic and economic changes. Over the centuries, Oxford experienced demographic shifts. In the 19th century, the town's population decreased as many farmers moved to work in factories in nearby cities. However, by the 21st century, Oxford became one of the fastest-growing municipalities in Connecticut, with a notable increase in population and wealth, ranking it the 26th wealthiest town in the state by median household income. Recent history and natural events. In more recent history, Oxford made headlines in November 2001 due to the anthrax attacks, where one of its residents, Ottilie Lundgren, was the fifth and last person to be killed. Additionally, in 2024, the town experienced its heaviest rainfall on record, leading to significant flooding and recovery efforts. Historical preservation. The Oxford Historical Society has been instrumental in preserving the town's history, being honored in 2012 with a Connecticut Trust Preservation Award for efforts regarding the Twitchell-Rowland homestead. The Society collects and maintains archives, organizes events, and educates the public about Oxford's historical significance. Oxford's history reflects a transition from an agriculturally focused community to a suburb that maintains its rural charm while experiencing modern growth and development.